Today I'll be sharing what's in my travel makeup bag. So most of the time I have 2 bags full of makeup whenever I travel, just because I travel for a long extended period of time. But for some reason this time I decided to go with 1. This is my travel case. I have multiple travel cases. This isn't the only one. But this one is one I'm going to share with you guys today because it actually is really functional. Functional? Is that a word? Is that a word?
Functional.
Functional.
Functional is the word we're looking for.
This is functional. It's on Amazon. I'm sure you've seen it on social media as well. Some of the other travel bags I have just is stuff I've gotten in PR and it just works. So let's open this baby right up. This is what the inside looks like. It's pretty organized. It has these dividers, and I don't know if you can see these dividers, this one, and it had a few more, and they're adjustable. You can take them out and move them wherever you want, just depending on your makeup products and the sizes. So mine looks like this, and it also has a flap in here for brushes and things like that. So let's get started. Let's start with what's up top. This is where I put all my makeup brushes. I kind of categorize them. So a lot of my face bigger brushes, my blush brush, and my bronzer brush are here, and then I have highlighting brushes like this one, and then this is just like a good everyday brush for like powders and things. And then in this little section we have concealer brushes, eyeshadow brushes, and I have a lot of eyeshadow brushes because sometimes you just don't know what you need and what look you're going for. So I kind of put them all in here. I also have a little Q-tip. I should have more, but you know, if you want to just clean up some mascara or wherever your mistakes are, important to keep with you. And in here I just have a couple of lip pencils and my lip gloss. This is from Buxom, just FYI. Now, in the zipper, little zipper, is the secret pouch where I store my stash. My eyeshadow palette, because it's so long. This is such a good palette. It's an OG of mine from Too Faced. It's just good for traveling because it has a lot of different shades in there, a lot of warm neutrals, and then also has a few shades for fancier nights. But let me show you the inside of the palette. Looks like this. It's a little bit destroyed. Some chunks are missing. I have been traveling with it a lot. But good palette, and this is the shade right here, Luscious, that I use for the inner corner of my eyes and even on top of my lid sometimes, and you guys love it every single time I do it. So this is a palette, in case you're wondering, this is what you should get for that everyday look. And then also in the zipper is this palette right here. This is from Nars. This is their Summer Lights face palette, and it's just really good, easy to travel with because you have like bronzers and highlighters, and you can kind of even use a couple of these just for like a light dusting for blush too if you wanted to, but I carry my own blush. Just a good travel friendly palette and so many good shades for summer and fall. Overall good face palette. Right, honey?
Yes, of course.
So we're
Can you hear what I'm saying? I feel like if I get closer to the microphone,
okay,
we can really get in there.
let's see how I'm gonna show this. Okay, so in here, we got lots of things. Gee, how do I show this?
Do you want me to come over there and hold it up?
Can you fit? Let's see.
Let's see.
In this section right here, we have my beauty blender. I can't travel anywhere without it. My Becca Cosmetics color corrector for my under eyes because especially when I travel, I feel like I don't sleep as much, and this just comes in handy. And then we have the Holy Grail, Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder. I use this to set my under eyes. I've been sharing this for years. I'm pretty sure like one of my first YouTube videos talked about this, so.
Why is it called secret?
It's a secret. It's.
Is it like secretly sold? Did you have to buy it like an alley?
It's. Yes. I don't know why it's called secret. We should ask, but it is the Holy Grail to set your under eye concealer. Moving on to this compartment right here. So we have the Marc Jacobs highlighter. It's just a really good one, and it's just so compact and cute. So I travel with this.
It looks like my deodorant.
Is your deodorant?
Or like my travel deodorant.
Yeah, actually I kind of see that. It has a twisty, has the same kind of vibe. And I like to keep a variety of lipsticks because I don't know what I'm gonna be wearing, and you just never know what shade you're gonna need. So like this is the one that I have from Too Faced. It's like a nice little pink purpley shade. I'm into purples these days. We have one from YSL. That's a good coral tone, and this is just so good for summer. We have one from Laura Mercier. This is a very good pink nude. Buxom. This is like a nude, but it's more of a brown nude rather than pink nude. So depending on what you're going for. Then I always keep a solid red with me because you know what if you just want one sassy night out. This is your red. This is from Charlotte Tilbury.
I feel like every night with you is a sassy night.
That's correct. Last one here, also from Charlotte Tilbury, and this is just a really good.
Is that leopard print?
Yeah, isn't that cool? I love. This is their Hot Lips 2 collection.
Leopard print is on like everything.
It's on everything. I like it. You should get something leopard print. Also in here, we have my lash curler, a brow gel from Anastasia Beverly Hills, clear. If I just need to give it like a quick little wisp, you know, it's a good one. And then, let's see, I'm just digging like this. I'm trying to stare at the camera awkwardly. Couple of brow pencils, Benefit Ka-Brow, and this is the Goof Proof from Benefit as well. Goof Proof. And then I have liquid eyeliner from Too Faced. This is their Better Than Sex liner. This is really good. Goes on smooth. It is black, like jet black, so 100% recommend this one. Moving on to this compartment. I'll do this.
What if I like?
I'll just hold it. Oh, all right, here we go. Now you're just in this video for fun. So here is this compartment. This is like one of my bigger ones. I have my Herborian CC cream here. Too Faced. I use this darker shade to contour when I feel like I want to do a liquid contour. The Charlotte Tilbury Light Wonder Glow. I mix this in my foundation, especially in the summer. It just gives you the perfect summer glow. 100% recommend. I carry a lot of mascaras with me. I have a waterproof one from Too Faced. I have the Damn Girl from Too Faced, and I have this Nars Climax one. I love all three equally. So.
Wait, this water one, it actually has like a water pattern on it. Have
It
y'all
does.
seen this? It actually has like water droplets
Yeah, it's
on it.
really
I thought that
cool.
was pretty cool.
It is really cool. Yeah. And then we have the Lancome eyelash primer. I share this all the time. Also in this little compartment, we have concealers. I have two from Tarte, one to basically match the shade of my face for acne and things, and one for brightening and highlighting. And then I have also the Nars one because it's more radiant and hydrating. Primer, love this primer, it's very hydrating. Carry this with me everywhere. There's actually a smaller size too, more travel friendly, but that's an option. And then one of my favorite foundations that will make your skin look so flawless, like just the most ultimate flawless finish, is this Nars foundation, Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and I am in shade Barcelona. Last but not least, this tiny compartment right here. So this is where I keep like my circular items. Charlotte Tilbury, this is their Airbrush Flawless Finish. This is the powder that I use to set my face with. It is not drying at all. Trust me, I have dry skin. Totally not drying. I like to use setting sprays, so when I travel sometimes I just kind of skip out on that, so it just totally depends. This is a really good option if you don't want to travel with a setting spray. We also have this Charlotte Tilbury blush. This is what? Cheek to Chic Pillow Talk. Looks like these. Isn't it pretty? You like it? You like it? You like it? Drugstore highlighter. Cannot live without this Maybelline Master Chrome. Can you see? This is molten goodness. Molten goodness, that's how I'm gonna describe it. I also have a powder foundation in case I want to go for that. Then I have another blush for just like a different shade. This is from Buxom. Shade is Wanderlust? No, Mykonos, sorry. It's a Wanderlust collection shade, Mykonos. Looks like this. If I want just like another shade. I like to have my options. And last but not least, a solid bronzer. This is by Benefit. It's their Hoola bronzer. This one's really good. It's honestly universally good, so no matter what your skin color is, your shade, your skin type, looks good on everyone. But yeah, so all of that, like honestly, just tucks in. All of that just honestly tucks in so nicely, and it's organized. So if you're interested in this actual travel bag, I will link it down below. And I'll also link some of the products that I mentioned down below as well, because I think they're just so great, especially for summer. I honestly should do like a summer makeup like favorites or something, but this is obviously what I've been digging, so it's like a 2-in-1 video in my opinion. Zip this baby back up, and just like that, you're ready to go on your next vacation with your makeup travel bag. I don't know how you joined this video, to be honest with you. I'm like so
always
confused.
find a way.
Okay. I guess. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and we will chat soon. Bye. Bye.
Bye.